Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so today I am going to show you how I do my eyebrows, since I've gotten a lot of requests on how I get them the way that I do. I use a regular pencil. What is this? A nano, I think. And it's a number 9 pencil. It's a little bit lighter for me, and so I usually use a black pencil to go over it with light hands. So yeah, all right, I want to make this tutorial really short, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to time myself and give it 5 minutes. All right, I hope you get everything from this. If you don't get if at the end of the video you still don't get out it, you can always hit me up and I'll show you. I'll come back with another video or do something else. Just make sure so you guys get it. Do whatever I need to do to make sure that you guys get it. All right, okay, so all right, let's get everything that we need. So we get an angled brush, that's to do the cleanup. We get a spoolie, that's to brush the product out, the pencil. The eyeliner, of course, or whatever you're using, if it's a deep brow, whatever. A lighter concealer, that's to clean up under here, and the darker concealer to clean up above the eyebrows. All right, so we use darker because we don't want the flashback from the concealer in our photos. All right, so you ready? Let's go. Let me turn the timer on. 5 minutes. All right, so there it is, 5 minutes. And I click start. All right guys, so let's go. All right, so first we're going to use a spoolie, and let me tell you something first with the eyebrows. All right, it's set up a certain way. It is supposed to get the perfect brows for your face. You can use a straight object, measure from your nose right here up. So this is saying that my brows are supposed to start there. Put again the nose and go through the pupil. This is how you know where your arch is supposed to be. Right there. Oh, okay. Right there. And this, put it here, goes through here, and you'll know where your eyebrow is supposed to end. So my eyebrow is supposed to stop right there. So we use that as our guide. We brush the hair out. 4 minutes. You really are supposed to use hair-like strokes. That's if you want it to look really realistic. You use fine strokes. Use the pencil to give you fine strokes. Alrighty, go ahead and you shape it out like that. Alright, shape it, shape it, shape it. And remember, I said this pencil is giving me like an orange red kind of look, and so I don't like that, so I usually go over with the black lightly. And so I have 3 minutes. Not gonna take very long. All right, so I'm gonna brush that out with a spoolie, and I want to get all the way. I want to brush the front out, more so the front, because I don't want the front to be looking too straight. I wanted to give me the faded effect. And this thing, lining up the brows, is particularly for like persons who has eyebrows start all the way down here. You know that you need to fill in to come up, as according to this theory. All right, so I'm going to use my angled brush, and I'm going to start at the top with the darker concealer and clean up the top above here. And I'm doing this because I wanted to see that it's really not, I'm doing this in 5 minutes because I wanted to see that it is really not hard. I have 2 minutes left. Go in with the lighter shade and clean up the bottom. So we go in, not all the way up at first, You start and then just clean up. And then pull the product down from the brows. Alright. You can use a brush, sponge for your fingers to wipe that out. I'm using the sponge right now because it's helping me to go a little bit faster. However, I'm usually using my fingers. So we have 51 seconds. Can you believe it, guys? Alright, so that's it. What I do right now is I get the tip here slimmer because I don't like it thick. And just shape it accordingly. But there you go. Let's see how many. 10 seconds. Time up, guys. I'm trying to cheat a little. Alright, so that's it. 5 minutes and I have one brow. Alright, so that's it. What would I do different? Or what would I change on it? Just brush yours out a little bit. But that's it. 5-minute brows. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you next time with another video. Why am I doing all of this? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let's grow our family together. Bye.